Welcome. If you want to use face recognition on your Huawei P40 Pro, for the first you have to tap on the settings. Right now we have to click on the biometrics and the password, tap on the face recognition. Right now you have to input your log method. In my case this is the pattern. And here we have a little bit the instructions. So before starting we have to make sure that the camera is clean and our face is unobstructed and the environment is well lit. So when we are going to tap on the get started, the smartphone is going to scan our face, but in my case it's not working because I have the camera in front of me. So I'm gonna give you like a little bit preview, and that's it. If I remove this camera, and the smartphone can easily scan my face. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.